Just kidding. What's going on, everybody? Chris here again with another video, and as promised, today we got our black lug nuts. So we're gonna go ahead and swap out these silver and get the black ones on there. So if that sounds interesting to you guys, stay tuned. But first things first, if you guys missed me blacking out these RS wheels, make sure you watch that video. I'll link it down in the description below. But as you can tell, like I've already said, the wheels are now blacked out. The only thing missing is those silver lug nuts need to be replaced. And thanks to Amazon, they came in the next day. However, we weren't home and they delivered it about 10 o'clock at night. So it's kind of pointless on installing it at that late at night. But let's go ahead and swap them out. So I've actually already previously mentioned this, but I paid about $40 for a pair of 24 lug nuts. That's 24, 6 times 4 is 24, right? So we have all the lug nuts that we need. This was $40. If you were to buy this off of Chevy.com, it's going to run you about $280. So go ahead and save your money. Use the Amazon link down below in the description box and save yourself some money. And let's go ahead and see what they actually look like. Alright. Everything seems about the same as the OEM side, just black. And for the size, this is 14 by 1.5. See if I can catch it on the camera. So 14 by 1.5. There you go. There's your size for that. So let's go ahead and make sure everything fits accordingly. Alright, fingers crossed this works. Alright, like a glove. Super happy that's gonna look pretty good once I get the other 5 in. So far, so good. You guys can tell the rear are done. The front still have the silver. Definitely looks a lot different. And in a good way. Let's go ahead and do a quick comparison of the OEM hardware and the new aftermarket one I bought. So as you guys can see, very identical. This one has like a thinner ring there. This one kind of acorns out. Both the same threading inside. Only thing different is one is black and one is this silver machine finish. And as if you can tell, these actually have rust. So I think this black paint's gonna actually help with that. It probably won't rust as easy. So we're probably getting a little upgrade out of that as well. But as you can tell, pretty much the same thing. So, yep. Okay, driver's side done. Looking pretty fly for a white car. So corny. But here's the other end, which we still gotta go ahead and do. But pretty happy so far. Oh yeah, you guys like our NASCAR pit stop team? Work in progress. But he's gonna go ahead and do the last one, so go ahead and show me where it goes. Spin, spin, spin. Spin, spin, spin. Keep going. Okay, let's check it. Can you pull it out with your hand? Alright, now what? He's so organized. He's more organized than I am sometimes. You can have OCD when you're older, bro. I didn't even tell him to do that. That's you on your own. Alright, what about the last one? You gotta finish the job. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Quick, quick, quick. Alright. Let me help you so you don't scratch the wheel. Okay, go ahead, spin it this way. Use 2 hands. There you go. Quick, quick, quick. Oh yeah, maybe we'll see Daytona in your future. Oh, it's tight. All right, let's give a big ooga-doog. Let me see that. Let me do this. Now let's go ahead and give it a big ooga-doog. I think it was that one. Okay, a quick lap check or round robin, whatever you want to call it. We basically made sure everything was torqued down. All 4 wheels were done, so I think we're good. Okay, so out with the old and in with the new, and that's gonna call it this video. Okay, well, our NASCAR / Formula 1 interns over here putting away the old lug nuts. We're gonna go ahead and call this a video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed everything. Like I said, save yourself some big money. These wheel lug nuts fit perfectly fine on our car. Don't spend the $280, $300 to go get Chevy brand when you can go ahead off of Amazon and legitimately buy the same part for a lot less money. So other than that, if you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Helps the channel as always as we continue to grow. Other than that, I just want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life on auto, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.